Hi, thank you for purchasing MotoKart. In this video I will show you how you can edit your products for your shop. For that you will have to log in and go to the dashboard. You will have to click on shops. On your shop, click the manage button. Here, click on manage products. Here you can see the entire product list which we have added, and you can edit any product you want. So for example, I'll edit the security WordPress theme product. I'll click on the edit button, and here I can see all the settings which let me edit my product. So I can choose the product type, I can choose the product category, I can choose a subcategory as well, the name of the product, the price for the product. We can upload an image. The resolution for the image is given here. You can upload the zip file or the product URL. You can also name the author and your keywords. Enter the product preview URL here. It can also be shown up in a pop-up. Upload your previews and enter your description and click on update product. So this is how you can edit your products and manage multiple products in MotoKart. Thank you.